Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a thread file for your project. A thread file is a specialized tool designed to repair and restore damaged external threads on bolts, studs, or shafts. Understanding its purpose is key to successful repairs. We'll cover identifying the right type of thread file for your specific needs, ensuring you always have the correct tool for the job. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. Before you even touch the thread file, proper preparation is crucial. First, ensure the damaged thread is completely clean, free from dirt, grease, or rust, which can hinder the repair process. Next, firmly secure your workpiece in a vise or clamp. This stability is vital for precise filing and prevents further damage. Finally, accurately identify the thread pitch and size. This step is non-negotiable for selecting the correct file. Now, let's get to the actual filing. The most critical step is aligning the thread file's teeth precisely with the undamaged portion of the existing thread. This ensures you're restoring the original profile. Apply light, consistent pressure, moving the file in one direction, typically away from you. Avoid a back-and-forth sawing motion. Frequently stop and inspect your work to prevent overfiling and maintain the thread's integrity. After successfully repairing the thread, clean both the workpiece and your thread file to remove any metal shavings. Then, test the repaired thread with a matching nut or component to ensure it engages smoothly and correctly. Proper tool maintenance, like cleaning and storing your file, extends its lifespan. And speaking of clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum to upgrade your home cleaning. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.